Hi, my name is Tim. I had a full mouth restoration. I have to wear a mask at work, and whatever happened, whether I'm wearing a mask, dry mouth, or whatever, I notice, some of my teeth are coming loose. So I went to another dentist, and they said, you have severe periodontal disease. And I thought, hey, well, like a scaling or maybe a bridge or whatever. They said, all those teeth have to come out. I'm like, what?
Timothy had a common problem that people suffer with. It's often quiet. It's called periodontal disease, and it's one of the reasons that lead to losing teeth. This is very, very common in the United States as well as the rest of the world. So he was suffering from this for many years, and he got to a point where he knew that there was nothing further for him. So he did some research. He went to some other places where it didn't look like it was the right fit for him.
So the easy way to go is Dr. Alptekin, because I went and they were friendly. They explained what needed to be done.
Timothy was not alone in this journey. His partner, Martha, was very supportive of him, and she was actually helping him find the right place. And I am just so glad that they went forward, because things worked out great.
It was it ticked all the boxes. Sedation dentistry, that was the best. I had all my teeth taken out with little or no pain. When he put in my teeth, my permanent teeth, at the end of the process, he was more excited about putting his teeth in my mouth. I was just as excited as getting those teeth. It was a moment, and it was a happy moment, and it was one of those moments where I'm really, really glad that I lucked out and found the right guy to do the work, that he took the time and care to go the extra mile. Even though they're in my mouth, he's like, those teeth represent me. So he's not gonna let me leave until they look the best they can look. So yeah, he went the extra mile. So I was extremely happy about that.
So Timothy no longer has the disease that he's been suffering with. The implants work great for him, and he's a happy guy.